Basic Damage Stability Determination, or SOLAS Chapter 2-1. It is the assessment of a ship's stability to stay afloat and upright after the flooding from hull damage following SOLAS Chapter 2-1 requirements. It checks if the ship remains stable, does not capsize or sink after specified damage scenarios. And there are criteria for this topic. One is the floodable length, maximum length of a compartment that can flood without sinking the ship. Two is the stability after damage, positive residual rating lever or the GC at all relevant angles. The maximum GC is greater than or equal to 0.1 meters. Range of stability is greater than or equal to 20 degrees. Hill of angle is less than or equal to 15 degrees after flooding. The edge is not submerged. Immersion line. Margin line is or 10 minus 15 cm below bulkhead or backhoe deck must not be submerged. Subdivision. Compartment size so flooding of one or more does not cause loss of stability.